Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we often talk about the Google Chrome, security fixes every week. And, of course, in every product, there are security fixes. That's why Microsoft has its Windows, Patch Tuesday every month and so on. But these fixes or the bugs that have, security issues aren't always found out by the company itself. It might be found by external security researchers. So that's why all of these companies like Google and Microsoft have a bug bounty rewards program. And Google itself today in the news has actually talked about its own program, which is the Vulnerability Reward Program. And it wanted to mention that it actually gave almost $12 million in bug bounty rewards into 660 security researchers in 2024. So this is a pretty nice amount of money. A lot of security researchers actually make a living off of this, finding security flaws in software, hardware, and so on. So this is a pretty interesting number, seeing that all the security researchers also involved. And they actually help us stay safe. So all these people work in trying to find flaws that need to be fixed. And then, of course, it's the reason why we're as safe as we can on computing. So the rewards also were higher. Most of the rewards given were higher because they increased the minimum amount or the maximum amount that they would give into security researchers. And so since the beginning, this program started way back in 2010. It seems that Google has given away $65 million at different security researchers to fix flaws. And here it's interesting because you see the number of security researchers, which are pretty high, more than 600 for the past 4 years. And but the amount of money that is slowly going up. There was a peak of 12 million here in 2022, and we're almost at 12 in 2024. So this is good because this helps us stay safe. And I think it's one of the great ideas that came out of many of these companies to have, bug bounty programs and have rewards for those that find security flaws that could otherwise be undetected. And it's really a game of cat and mouse. It's who from the bad guys or the good guys find the security flaws first. So kudos to Google, and we'll see what 2025 brings at some point. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.